Hello, my name is Dr. Charles Lightning, Explorer Extraordinaire. My companions and I are about to start our journey into the wild jungle, and who knows what mysteries might lie inside.
That was brilliant, Professor!
I say, have you ever seen such an extraordinary creature? Looks like that's the last of it, Johnny. Yep, thanks again for the ride, Harry. Hey, Doc. Are you sure we need this many supplies? Oh, yes, Mr. Thunder, I assure you. Nothing but the essential. There, as I said, nothing but the essentials. Now, where is that map? A map? Oh, Professor, you're living in the past. Whatever do you mean? No one uses maps anymore. Now it's all GPS. Well, I say, what a marvelous piece of technology. All right, we'll take it. Hold on, Doc. We already have all these maps. Oh, come now, Mr. Thunder, get with the times. This device will change exploration forever. I mean, honestly, what's the worst that could happen?
The destination is on your left.